This is Jacob, and welcome to a guided Yoga Nidra session where you'll bask in beautiful forest sounds while cultivating a deep sense of peace and relaxation. As you prepare to journey inward, find a position where your body feels fully supported and your mind can begin to quiet. Gathering any supports that would help you enhance your relaxation, such as bolsters, pillows, or blankets. You might also like to get a pair of headphones to enhance your experience even further. Settle in with an awareness of your breath, feeling it gently enter and leave your body. Allow each inhalation to fill you with a sense of calm, and each exhalation to release tension. Feel the breath as it touches the inside of your nose, travels down your throat, and fills your lungs, expanding your chest, expanding your belly. Take a moment to appreciate this life-giving breath. With your next 3 breaths, inhale deeply, and on the exhale, let go of any worries or stress with a gentle sigh. Trust that in this space, you are safe and exactly where you're meant to be. Imagine yourself as a leaf, floating gently on a serene forest stream, effortlessly carried by the current. Let go of any residual tension. Allowing your body to sink deeper into relaxation, perfectly cradled by the surface of the water. Embrace a sense of peace and ease as you surrender to the present moment. As you relax, visualize your heart as a blossoming flower, opening petal by petal. Within this flowering heart space, connect with your sankalpa, or a heartfelt intention that resonates with you now. It could be a familiar sankalpa or intention, or a new one emerging at this moment. Allow this intention to root deeply within your heart. Repeat it to yourself 3 times clearly and with conviction. Bring your attention to your mouth, feeling sensations within your mouth. And draw your attention to the roof of your mouth, the back of your mouth, the tip of your tongue, and the root of your tongue. Your inner right cheek and your inner left cheek, upper gums and teeth, lower gums and teeth, your upper lip, and your lower lip, the space between the lips, the tip of your nose, inside the right nostril, inside the left nostril, the right eye, eyelid, temple, eyebrow, the space between your eyebrows, the left eye, eyelid, temple, eyebrow, sensations of both the eyes. Is there any residual tension that you can let go of in your eyes, eyebrows, or forehead? Your ears, your right ear, your right ear listening, and your left ear, your left ear listening, the scalp and hair, back of the neck, center of the throat, your attention on your throat, bringing a sense of courage to speak your truth, your right collarbone, upper arm, elbow, lower arm, wrist, center of the palm, your fingers, your thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, and little finger. The space around the fingers. Give time for attention to come back to the base of your neck. Left collarbone, upper arm, elbow, lower arm, wrist, center of the palm, your fingers, your thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, and little finger. The space around the fingers. And once again, give time for attention to come back to the base of your neck. Front of the chest, the ribs, navel, lower belly, your entire pelvic floor, sensation of the entire pelvic floor, your right hip, thigh, knee, lower leg, your foot, and toes, your big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and little toe. The space around your toes. Back to the pelvic floor. Your left hip, thigh, knee, lower leg, your foot, and toes, your big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and little toe. The space around your toes. The whole body now, left and right, front and back. The whole body as a unified field of sensation. Awareness throughout the whole body. Reconnect with your breath. Each inhalation filling you with fresh energy, and each exhalation releasing what no longer serves you. Visualize this breath as a continuous cycle. Like the forest renewing itself with each passing season. And begin to count your breaths from 10 to 1, with each breath guiding you deeper into relaxation, deeper into solitude, into the peace and tranquility of the forest and Mother Nature. Inhale 10, exhale 10, inhale 9, exhale 9. Allow this counting to anchor you, bringing you deeper into the present moment. If you lose your place, that's okay. Simply begin back at 10. Allow your breath to flow normally and naturally, and begin to feel a profound sense of heaviness, as if your body is merging with the forest floor, grounding you deeply. Your legs, arms, head, entire body anchored, rooted in the earth. Now shift to a sensation of lightness, like a leaf rustling with the summer breeze. and returning to a sense of heaviness, your roots once again extending into the earth, you becoming heavy with grounding energy. And once again, allowing your body, your mind, your soul to become light, weightless. Free as a bird gliding through the air. Wings extended, soaring as light as can be. Now experience both heaviness and lightness simultaneously. Experience this contrast. Appreciating the balance between heaviness and lightness, grounding and freedom. Imagine walking along a sun-dappled path through an ancient, majestic forest. The trees stand tall and wise. Their leaves whispering secrets of the earth. As you walk, you come across a tranquil clearing. Where you sit and feel the connection with the forest around you. A soft, glowing light surrounds you, infusing you with clarity and peace. In this sacred space, invite any thoughts or concerns to arise, viewing them with compassion and without judgment. Allow the wisdom of the forest to offer insights, or simply hold space for whatever comes up. As they arise, allow them to serve their purpose and to drift off one by one with the warm forest breeze. You develop a deep sense of trust that you are exactly where you need to be. And that everything is working out just as it's supposed to for your highest good. Continue your journey now in the forest until you reach a beautiful ancient tree. This tree represents pure consciousness, standing strong and serene. Sit beneath its vast canopy, feeling its timeless presence. Here, you are one with the universe. One with Source. A part of the eternal cycle of life. Trust that any messages or insights you receive are exactly what you need in this moment. If nothing comes, know that the answers will reveal themselves in time. Simply be present, open, and at peace. Allow the serenity and clarity of this experience to breathe life into your sankalpa or intention. Feel this intention becoming an integral part of you, ready to guide you with renewed energy and focus. And repeat it once again to yourself 3 times. Begin to deepen your breath, feeling each inhale and exhale, revitalizing your body. Slowly bring your awareness back to your physical self, noticing the connection with the earth beneath you. Engage your senses, hearing the sounds around you. Feeling the air on your skin. And smelling the natural scents of your environment. When you're ready, you can gently wiggle your fingers and toes, allowing slight movement to return to your body. Gradually waking yourself up at your own pace from this deep state of relaxation. If you feel called to, you can place one hand on your heart and one on your belly, feeling the warmth and connection, and cultivate a sense of gratitude for this practice, for your body, and for the journey you've taken today. Whisper a heartfelt thank you to yourself, acknowledging your commitment to your well-being. And I'd like to thank you for joining me in this nurturing Yoga Nidra practice. I hope it has brought you tranquility and balance. Please share your experience in the comments and subscribe for more practices. I also welcome you to visit jacobmark.com. In my social media, it's Jacob Mark, for further exploration and connection. I'm wishing you an amazing day, and I hope to see you again soon.